What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So Rosealee and our people them and DYEMA in a one bag of something my people. You see me I say, I'm gonna share that with Uno. Also DYEMA and the youth name Virtual Entertainment kinda have a heated argument over the Rosealee situation. You see me I say? So we're going to get into that also my people. I will have Shay jumping at the war to my people. You see me I say? We also have King Taviano, one the Lion Man ex-girlfriend that a big C. You see me? So them say Tavi obsessed with the Lion Man and it look like a real something cause see him a go after the man ex right now. I mean I think say she a go want him. But we could see what go on my people. You see it, so we could jump in it. I don't know where I left out, but whatever you do, here in the intro, you definitely are going to see in the video, so we could get in it.
Rosealee, peace now. I'm here, people. Remember me now. I'm here, people. Remember me now come to chat about you know, come in and like chat people. And one thing with me, you can't get me chat people. I take my time. You can't get my chat people for sure. You know people always come to me with people's name and I say stop, don't do that, don't say that, leave that alone. Yeah. No. Share cuss right now. Forever young, you carry people's name, come to me. Forever young with class, you're nastiness, you know. Forever young, you share cuss right now. But come in people, because me say the show what I want on Rosealee, you know say DYEMA show I would pan Rosealee. Come here, DYEMA, I'm a friend, but DYEMA show I would pan Rosealee. Come here. Sometimes Rosealee have all right for this up DYEMA and class DYEMA show I would pan Rosealee. Also the video the screen recording them we figure it out a comb DYEMA here. DYEMA is a troublemaker. DYEMA is a troublemaker. They look so peaceful though. They don't look peaceful. Me not tell no lie, them look peaceful. I see because they know so them have peace and tranquility and the whole have not have nothing. Them just have show them word, that show them word, that show them word. I don't like it. It don't look good, man. Yes, and figure it out apart the ear. Yeah. Me not ask you. What are the people? Alright. Me had a brief alteration in my head. Yeah. Yes, man. I don't like the DYEMA attitude. DYEMA must stop it. The child not travel uno. And I'm just a show, the word that show, the word that show, the word. Party in that era one, scratching that head, relaxation, pass through them. Yeah. Appear them something there one. Oh, they must stop it, man. DYEMA know exactly where she go. And not to mention figure it out. I don't like the setup. And then what are we Queenie and she walking in the park. Then what are we Belgium Road Favor Park. And she you in a full brown though. You see the girl in a brown. And then mackerel and ride and die. Today what kind of day? Today we're in Thursday. Today is 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 Thursday. Today I think the nun never did answer me. I think the nun never did answer me. So it's shenanigans Thursday. I think the nun never did answer me because all of me ask on not take long. Like no more than a girl like me. Oh, the whole on upon this favorite destiny curry. I can't even make out a what if you blend the meat. Yeah, cause the name plate look like he might eat people. The whole on come and hype up on a guani. Oh, that make sense for this too, you know. No fun that make sense for this too. Because look how long I have to ask, you know. And now what I couldn't hear. I'm going to check from my agent on about if it doesn't scar. I really cannot differentiate out of Ivany and Annie which one have the most address. Me not think postman know them. Me not think postman know them. Me not think postman know Ice and Annie. Me think them have to go definitely post office, go collect them later. Me not think postman will come and say, cling clang clang, cling cling clang, clang along long. I don't know what postman say. But anything postman say. Yeah. Me don't know about Amari and I'm moving now. And me I talk about Ivany. Me don't know about Amari and I'm moving. Then when you dig up Amari from my girl, they don't say nostalgic, you're Jersey, you're full of throwback. Eh? You hear me there, you start talk about the little travelers them right here. So are you gonna Amari? Eh? Wanna like dig up the people there, wanna make them rest. Eh, Kelan, you wanna like go dig up the people. Me tell you, we not chat people over here, so we not greet you not broke with, so we not chat people over here, so we not doing it. Why you doing it when you should be scoring it? Why you stewing it? Me don't know the song, you know. Then you go the time after me, you know, that sweatpants here. Then from last night, I call. From last night, I call, and I want the night they call me, not like them dumpling your thing. What you got for? The side of my tongue scotch. What boom boom sitting? Princess, okay? Hold on, you know what I get wrong? It won't rest. One. Stop that now. I will cut up the agate. You want to cut up the agate because I know as I done this, so you go hungry. I don't know how you can grind, so you know. I don't know how you can grind, so I don't go in your bar. People don't pray for me. What kind of boy? You like when you name call, I don't like when you like media. I never know so you operate on the gigabyte.
Me people, I eat me there say to you know, Ivany and Annie, every minute they move. You see me I say, I wonder why though. Ivany, she used to move from apartment to apartments, right? Then she start making understand with she upgrading. But from the apartment to apartment, why you move so often? You see me I say, Annie now, I wonder why. Seeing and the next person too, when maybe you don't realize is Road Dog. Road Dog move very often too. You see me I say? People, me would have tired and weary if you move so every minute. Remember me tell you. No, so we couldn't move so every minute you pack up all of your belongings and go to one different place, even if you have people where professional and do it. You know what I mean? Why would you then remember you know, them now unpack it for you, you know, them just everything where you put in a box or whatever, then you have to go look for them and unpack it. First you have to pack it, then you no so we could go through them there every other month. Guys seems like every other month they move. You see me? Let me know what you think.
I'm like me. Every day tell me say I'm like me. I got my soul come. I like damn from like me. Me I put nature of course. Anything for slow me down. I don't understand. I live with man. I live with man about over 8 months now. So 8 months ago in our relationship. 8 months. I can't breathe now. I can't breathe now. I time to my brain coat a little me. The boy tried to breathe me many times. It was alcohol me dash with. Alcohol. Sometimes he got take me and one day if it's a belly I hide. I take out the dash from me with the sun. Yeah. Come on laugh soon though. Yeah. Since when I reach JA. And I added this. I want to be an idiot girl. No for one girl have man a foreign a wait pan the boy. And you save your crutches out here. So me and no boy never sign up. Me and no boy never go in front of the preacher yet and say cast this in a stone. Me and no boy never do that yet. You never there foreign. But you don't pan all farm work and I not see you till 6 months time and I know cocky not have conscience. Cocky not have no conscience. A standing cock have no conscience at all. You're mad? And me go depend no my man they are foreign. My man they are foreign for true but my all out here. My all out here. If me no want go far, if me no want through my crutches for me through it, no one I'm friend lab. Yeah. I treat no one name friend lab. And if I have a driver and you need the driver with me for camera round and around, so the driver camera round and around and around in my crutches him and go merry-go-round. Now asking me not see no crutches in the lady son. Your would must have experience and my would just move your nasty commandment from underneath me. Where? Move. Yeah, move your nasty commandment from underneath me. But you know, I don't like girl we, you know, take it. I mean, I like boy we sucky. Oh, you must take a meaning of a take. You want good old, oh, come here now. Every use and abuse and refuse cocky, want a good old for sickle with. Your body not worth it. You might can't grind me, yes, because the little backers, they want me give you boy, I'm not to like you can't find my G-spot, because it's not wrong for play hide and seek with you, you know. You can't find my G-spot, you find my G-spot and you always just say bullseye, and then to order something fat again, you don't have to give me a whole heap of stab for me come. I just have milk on it so because it has stretched me, and you know me never band open, my band seal up. Yes, my love, I know it nice and all, but I know me alone I experience it. You could have drop it in some Jacobs. You could have drop it in some Jacobs. You... my phone now one is a Nokia 3310, man. My phone is strong still, you know. How will you cook for breakfast? Then I never say me and your old menu argument. You ask me I cook for breakfast like me look like corner shop. Eh? You have gas in your stove and you make sure you run out of work and you not start work until about 8, 10 o'clock and you run out. You could have grabbed something that could have even an egg sandwich with lettuce, and if you don't have the lettuce you could have put tomato on it and trick yourself. If you can't find tomato, you don't put the egg and onion. You put the egg and onion. Anything to make your bed smell different. You could have really do that and you ask me when you cook for breakfast. Girl at England me living a so evening. And so evening, I don't know how you come in a menu argument with me. No cleaning, shipping me and cook, how much things I do so. How much things I do so like you say me I run down the jewelry store. I not got measure my finger, I don't want a boy put nothing on it. Me a cook. I'm just a recover from diarrhea. Trini Pinky, you not talk nothing about me, man. You not talk nothing about me. Just stop talk about me. Oh. You not talk nothing about me. Just stop your talking. Right. Yeah. Yeah, come over with me about what's breakfast today. I'm not even egg sandwich, you live a foreign, I'm not even waffle yam. You not even eat croissant. None of them delicacy. The Starbucks know you. Your little throat would have warm moist. You better put your hand in the Vaseline and rub your tonsil. Yeah, your little throat warm moist. You have diarrhea right now? I will bring down your home. You know, so another pies now for myself in the house. You have diarrhea right now. Man, I rat run over you, some of them, you know. Go check out if a leptospirosis you have. Cause someone too enough. What are we here look somebody for diagnose you? If you never hear me talk about diarrhea, you would not talk about you have diarrhea. A leptospirosis, what a piece for your things, them, my love. What a piece for your things, them, and you now wash them. Damn nasty. But you have diarrhea, so everything you have where people have. And now you're alone, no matter have, you know, you're like on a band in a group. Somebody say mushroom coffee. Mushroom coffee, what that? Mushroom coffee you drink? Yeah man, you're poison for yourself. Mushroom can make coffee. Oh, the foreign, some of them you hear and you try it out. But we your audition for the commercial. I hope you make it on the big screen. Eh? No man, everybody are putting them coffee remarks. Look here. Only one thing I know. And I forgot the name. Is the rug. The rug. Rug. But not have to pan this, you know. Because you not get me out in our class when you're dirty people. What not really have to pan this? Because you know when nobody come and you to complain my education, you know, come work hard for it. Because you not take someone to read and you not spell. Then is with school and you really go. On a little bit of dancing, on remind me of me. When you want to read something and you not spell it. Don't tell me calm down, bald eagle, and go calm down your hairstyle by your forehead. You know, see the whole like blow up and America calm. No, we not blow your ear cock up. You remember me a RuPaul. You favor Whitney Houston in concert. Come in, no one go with them cock up ear there. Your ear full of attitude. When you want to read that, you don't know right. I mean, I know who set your ear up. Just say, man, every day when you come challenge my education. Oh, the season that's something there, you know.
Alright, my people, make you watch a bit more and then we are going to move on to the next.
Really dip on the fire, go chaka 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 chaka, you know, the pressure, you know. Swings until lucky me I drive. Then if you never did drive, what you gonna do? Yeah, well, like you have license when your food and glass you drive with. Eh? Come now, with all our reason, because we not come in like so now portion of things. Kids Institution of Learning, and which part that day? We're gonna start draft figures, as you should, too cute, too sweet. Cause no fun no done, so no for be artist man. Draw what no wanna say. One two downs, but until lucky me I drive. Like you're driving have nothing to do with me. When I Google I carry go which part you got, the tam-tam you use, a GPS, you have like you know foreign. And you did it from your idea, your uncle and the streets them don't know you. Come now, cause the whole on their foreign I use GPS, you don't know no way around. Or if somebody take a note on the car on the last, can you walk from one end to the next end in foreign? No, I can't. Don't tell me about the pot, Trini Pinky. Don't tell me about the pot. Cause you go like a coconut bowl, me a cook out. Don't tell me about my pot. Me know everything about my pot. Me don't want nobody like how the dumpling them but this man in my hotel start chat with my neighbor. Me know say my neighbor not too in on me. It hurt me. Right time I don't eat the balance of dumpling them, my teeth are black. I would have. I think I Alicia niece. Yeah, my teacher go black. Yeah. Come and talk about the pot. Nothing about my pot. Oh, no be rude, no be bright, no be out of order. No pass your place. Cause no fun of their work right now I just from the canteen. I mean I tell when my man message me. When my man message me for calm down. I don't know how to talk to him. When my man message me this morning, I mean I answer the call from last night. Me I forgot leave a message. But the boy you know say me I go through my time. Yeah, I can't wait for him come for put on the first beating for me. Him say no beat woman. Him say no, I'm not gonna beat you. Never put my hand on you yet. I said no. But he don't know so that I want him to do, you know. Yeah. I'm not telling me there with this boy say my always got to him for my beating January 1st. Me always got to January 1st to my beating. I say January 1st a wicked piece I go knock, you know. I'm here. Them a wrap up something, auntie. Them always a wrap up something. Eh? Buju Fabulous, what you want me chat Daima say? Can you have a man name in a Buju? I wonder if a Pampo this. A Pampo this a carry news to me because a Buju should name in a. Eh, I wonder if a Pampo this. No, eh, show your identity. Come on, that girl can name Buju. Eh? Show your identity. Buju Fabulous, cause you carry diamond name to me. And like when you name Buju, I feel like you shape like Rosealee. Something just tell me so. I don't want to look on the wall of your shape with the eye of my vision, you know. Cause I have some things to look on tomorrow. So I just know some Buju Fabulous big. What you say? Can you carry people name to me, you know? You carry people name to me. They didn't even know say me and Daima make it up. Then what are we Daima Black Roger and Shay Black Roger? Roger we get the message, them block you. I don't blame them, a long time them should have blocked you. You little bit cannot play both see. Yeah, a long time them should have blocked you. Please, don't the Russia you pick up Rosealee side the wrong time when the car them start clean and everything water down. Russia always get the bottom of the barrel. Russia always get the end of the stick. Russia you pick up Rosealee side when the car them start clean and nothing now go and fair and gift as them and tell her bye bye and not Adele hello. You pick her up late. I like what you say, you pick her up late. You soon try down, you have to show them me and wait. Oh. You soon try down. Worse like what you say, nothing not going to fear, you know. You show her down, my girl. When you show her down, me and I are going to beat up your blow. Yeah. We are going to beat out the rest of your battle. Cause you're a hypocrite, that's it. And that missing. How this about the sweeping corner? Ever sweep the corner?
Mexican them come up front and they work all that. She more look like she have AIDS because she get married and she with her dom. We know one boy did say
we need some live goals. Support the live goal. Remember me I get evic.
We know.
Support the live goal.
We know. Remember one boy did click him live and talk them.
Yeah, rush the dirty girl wanna watch.
I hear no. She go oh me with swimming up. Girl, so you tell about other people have sickness. Hungry she hungry money she look. Go podium she want go podium.
Yeah.
That's blood ugly blood clot here by burning. But I don't feel like she forget.
Boy, we need some live goal.
So, Rosealee people, them this, I bring down Diamond people. You see me, so we're gonna watch this and move on to the next.
Help out with a live goal.
Don't you resemble me another people there? She resemble me
another people there. We need some live goal.
They
I wish y'all over here for Freda blood clot, dirty diamond, and fuck out Nessa, where an 8 man fuck her one time. Oh wow.
That's an ugly zoo. So she's a broke person.
I don't know she.
That's a love. She too no.
One time I didn't come tell lie about a grape.
Me no know she.
Tell lie about a grape, but you run up in a box, dirty girl.
Me about a name there, but me no know.
Oh, you run up in a box.
Are you one of the vial? Our people she want to get you. Come here. She not give nobody else to run herself run. Time run from that. A vial that.
It can't get really too far. Many see.
Thank you. New York, Brooklyn.
Wait for water. She can't reach you.
I mean, I want to make Uncle Donald Trump. I have to set Uncle Donald Panar.
With our bright blood clot self like no girl afraid her. No girl not afraid of you dirty time on her own. Long time mattress.
Morning, everyone. Morning,
auntie.
Say something. To my birthday, I have to say something.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Happy birthday.
Cheryl, tell them they grow good. Tell them they grow good. Them don't know nothing about you, Cheryl. Them don't know nothing about you. Your growth mother and father will love you. Them don't know nothing about you. And the only thing I want to say, Diamond said she'd follow Rose to Bellevue. Why Diamond never stay there?
I don't care.
Big woman. When her fart is like me, I behave like she about 13.
That's how I said something wrong with her.
She developed mentally. Her development is delayed.
She said she a legend and what? She said Carleen them a dancehall queen babe so?
Exactly.
She said them babes so what's wrong with her?
Carleen on keyboard I never do this.
Why she a
Carleen in keyboard I never do this. You're crazy?
Why she a to be like she a
and them ear just a salon and them store and pure something. Them gyal make sense.
She a fight to keep relevant.
Keyboard them gyal make sense. And what do you keyboard in Canada? Them gyal make pure sense.
Come on man, yes.
Have our store and our ear just a salon. Them gyal make pure sense.
Okay, she said she do not look like her age. Alright, but why you fight for people to acknowledge you? Why you fight for keeps her relevant? Why? And you behave like a sure Rose, and you principal Rose and all of that.
You know, so she vex over the age joke, and somebody did talk and say she don't love when they talk about the age. That's why I kill her already. Whole.
But she don't like you, true.
She don't like it. Somebody talk.
Listen to me. User, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. As she come out for it. Don't tell me that. I am victorious. Tell what she say. Hold on, auntie. I am victorious. Tell what she say. And me turn to her and say, auntie, don't say that.
Yes, that was true.
Don't say that. That not gonna look good. Me turn to her and say, don't say it. The fuck?
No, when they have class, why the people them come up from school?
Why never tell her to behave?
No. Yeah. Whenever
every time they come and we answer back, why
they never go over there go school?
When them stop first, when
I don't know, me, she'll behave like me so mighty, me can class, you know, me can class Rose on apathetic.
Yes, that's true. She don't want to answer.
If she class, you know, class her back and it's
the auntie, don't remember them have a show coming up. Don't put that out there. Shot a lie, me I tell?
Yeah, I true you talk.
But don't say that.
She make it seem like she's so mighty. I must say, you know what, Cheryl, I see people uncle her up on class her up on internet.
I should not answer him over your social text.
No, because you want to use Uno to get to Rose.
Yeah,
no, yes. That is what she's doing.
Is that shadow for 2K?
You know what shadow?
That is what she's doing. Because she want to come back at Rose. Because she feel like nothing. What she know when the world not already?
The world can't talk anything when they talk. Me now look, me no give
You
a
understand? If people genuinely like Rose, don't care what you come out with, the people them just going to like Rose, and that's it.
no, not like Rose. We love him.
What is wrong with her? She's more closer to 50 than 40, and the woman is behaving like a lunatic. Somebody needs to tell her to stop.
She not behave like a lunatic. She is. She go drop down. Her menopause are kicking.
When she in her 40s, you start to, leave certain things. You start to focus on what next going to come and start to, accept peace in your life. This woman has to accept one to keep relevant. Like she's 20.
I know her shadow. She want to be seen.
Come on, you're so Rose is nobody. And use everything. What are you fighting for? Then
Rose is nobody, and Rose have a watch platform I read for her. Where is her platform? Them talk all that. Nobody now read for them.
But see, what the man says, family sell him out for kinds or whatever. She repeats that what I got to say. Him figure to ask for no money, no. So some of them sit down and talk about.
How them sit down and talk? Yeah, can talk. Me see this something when my talk say, them sell him out. I never your family, bro.
I'm gonna tell you something. This is she, This is DYEMA, Every friend that she have, she and them tear down, say, This is she, If you check it,
Oh, it's a pattern.
This is she,
Oh, she can't help it, but give a girl, you come at the wrong gate.
Come on, man. If I look good like she, as what she say, my belly flat, my this, me have my money, Why are you fighting on TikTok for relevant?
No, she's fighting for the coins because she have to pay rent for two of them. She have to pay 2 rent.
What you fighting for, lady?
She have to pay rent for her son, lady. What you mean what she fight for? Sure. She have to pay rent for herself and the son. What you mean what she fighting for? She fighting for the coins.
But school fee.
She have to pay lunch money. You know what she do? She go buy a big TV and fridge and the boy talk and it still never gone away on the internet.
Me and them are age group and come on, I would not want to behave same way like me in my 20s.
Maybe she vex all the age ago cause somebody did talk and say she no love when them say she old. She
No, me and do come and look for
Guys,
work,
gonna
come
help
back.
out with a live goal. Help out with a live goal. And
Love
it's a
address.
them say somebody a stream way. Help out with a live goal.
Come on, man, it does sound good.
DYEMA all and famous all newspaper.
Since you say Rose this, Rose mad, Rose this, man no one Rose, everything bad as Rose. You know better, DYEMA, then. You know better.
all newspaper.
Nobody not fighting with you to say that you're this. You know better. Do better, okay? Come on.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. I run through that one here quick and fast, so I'm not going to talk much. So, I can watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
Life, her art,
She don't know better.
Guys,
don't
big
know
up,
better. That's about she know better.
Don't know
She don't know better.
What's the little parties and near to 50s?
But me no know what she want text set for me for.
I don't know
Even Moisha said she go do that, Cause Moisha knows that Moisha would have said that. Moisha never said that.
No, all man when in your 50s.
Bad as it be, but she talk about me up here, so the girl them can't say anything. I would have thought.
Same way, my sister.
Aunties them say anything, sorry Aunties them say anything. Cause she talk anything.
We know, and when she talk about your age, she will figure out who have inside her.
You know me not strong over here, make them say that and me make that talk. Because me tell the woman don't say that. Me tell her don't say that.
Sure, she's using Unuka. She want to come out and go on Rose. She thinks she have an audience. A Rose she want to get to.
Yes.
No.
Yes, cause she want her
Rose she want to get to.
Oh, she want disappear. She be no.
Listen, man. Me sit down and watch everything on the internet. DYEMA feel like she do not speak out everything. She want to get to Rose and she want to use Rose to get to Akeem.
was well said. See him how you say it, that's how you go.
Well said. You don't look good. You say you're a legend. Legend don't behave like this, girl.
Well, me don't know about a legend. She never earn it.
You never see Carleen them and Keefa them and dancers, Stacey them. Behave like this. What are you fighting for?
Them not for behave so because all of the name them you call body look good.
Wicked boy.
Hakim she want get to. Hakim she want whatever Hakim she want to talk about.
She could have talked till God come not have nothing to do with me.
People still going to like Akeem and still going to like
Talk about him. She didn't have a reason to class Rose.
And Diamond got people that do like she. So that's why I want to know what you're fighting for. What is going on?
She have the crowd for enough up and come listen, but not the gifters. She don't have that amount. That's a killer. If she didn't get the gift like other people are getting, she not happy, but she not getting it. So somebody crowd and giving gift a different thing, you know.
I'm sure you know when I analyze from all of this, come sit down and I'm watching them. Diamond was never Rose's friend. All along, I just want to blame Rose too. For some Rose never sister Diamond was never your friend. But I just saw you at the time. Yeah, at the time she was so low at that time, you know. Because all along it was Diamond telling Shay them all of Rose's business.
Yes, she's in a business can't talk now.
It was she doing it because you feel like you have the edge. Me know things about her. Me know them friend there. You never have friend of
Yeah. I know them friend there for sure.
Remember when time Rose they at jail and them tell her, you know what the fuck did me tired her, don't me tired her.
Yeah.
And I'm not bashing Diamond. The only thing I'm saying, Diamond, pretty girl don't behave like that, sweetie. She's good flat belly girl don't behave like that.
You know you're going to cost me. I wish
Push her show belly and this and that and
you know something
see them
pretty girl wet. What is pretty girl?
That's the only thing I can say to her. Diamond, boss bitch, don't behave like the way you're behaving. This is Rose is nobody. Rose not everything bad. Okay, real nice to behave that way.
themselves.
And that I Rose she want clap back. I Rose she want argue with her.
Yeah.
I know she have told me so she want let it out, she never let it out. But when you have to
Shamali, this is what I want to say.
Yeah.
Even when she let out
Every time when she talk like
Yeah, she loves that.
talk.
And once you have to Rose so you want let out so.
Yeah, man, Diamond, hurry up and talk and get over it, man. Baby,
killer.
free yourself, sweetie. Free yourself.
If she talk today, tomorrow, me not care.
Exactly.
You're
Me still have a
holding too
support,
much.
Kelly.
She said Rose was a heavy burden. Let go everything, Diamond. Free yourself, sweetheart.
She was a every bird if it took her, she right for the girl wave.
No, remember, so she said Rose was a heavy burden and this and that. Diamond,
But the girl got about her business now.
Free
The girl
yourself.
to let free.
No, but what me say?
I call Shanalee name. What Shanalee do?
Who call me name?
Hold on. She a talk about we not have nothing, but we never come to listen.
I ain't a dance a TikTok make you have a under. I go. Who afraid of you, girl?
Under not drive again.
Who afraid of you, girl?
Nobody not drive under again.
You come out from Moisha like a Moisha to shove a shit you. I am victorious to shove a shit you.
Exactly, I miss it so. I'm
You come out from Moisha, no Moisha to shove a shit you.
I miss it so, Victoria sister. Miss it so. We be back broad. I miss it so.
I listen to the record to show you how you're doing in real life.
Look out for this shit, bitch.
You're listening and still I say Moisha. You're listening it.
And that's why you tell like and Rose. You hear the things but you don't know what it so. And tell like and Rose.
That's why you did blood clap at night next to the girl by the BMW.
Bad man at
Man is bad.
All me
Move
have
your
to say,
blood
all this yappa over the internet. When you see me in person, bitch, you better
Big
stand on it.
dreams. And
You better stand on it. I'm gonna stand on it. When you see me in
Them gyal
person,
dream
I'm
big.
gonna stand on it. So make sure you know that. Me I go stand on it. So
Say
say
four
it
times
not
tell
clap
four
face.
top gyal this and top gyal that.
Say it to my face. Me not have time for you to go back and forth on the internet. But you know, when you see me, say it to my blood face. Cause bitch, me I go make sure you know. I mean your moisture. I mean your blood clot moisture. You have to come for me. You have to go angle it in a blood clot person. Angle it in a person. Come ready. Remember say you
Fucking
visit.
Okada.
I visit. You visit here.
Just support the live goal, cause remember say me I get evic. Support the live goal, remember me I get evic. Me I get evic chatter, me I look some else. Support the live goal.
All kind of shit.
Yeah.
Talk out our big mouth. Yeah, your man look like two good gentlemen, two beautiful partners. You and your blood clot man together. Two big C. Don't bright yourself, bitch.
Right now, blood clot.
But we lonely in a foreign. Who said that? Who
What
said
they look
that?
like?
Who the fuck said that? I'm not lonely, bitch.
Oh, you know what they look like?
Big sea. Big deep ocean. My
blood clot,
ocean.
man.
You're wide and deep.
Ooh, man.
You're wide and
imagine
deep.
the white fuck you. And I hide it.
Why TikTok kick me out? And that may I try to I say Natalie, I know that she for do when she reach, she for say to my blood clot face. And we are gonna see. We are gonna see.
Fucking outsider.
Remember, you're not you're just a visitor. Don't fuck with me, girl. When you see me, me I go scream out in the crowd, shit in a bucket! You better make sure say you class me. Class me the blood clot person. And that you for do. And that you for do. And I want blood clot phone call. She can't do that. Miss Long, I'm a chat in a lunch break. She can't do that. Make him mash up your whole lighting.
Hey, but say she not call Victoria's name, you know? I'm more you should have right to me. I'm more you should have right to like y'all the way all she slow.
Anytime
she slow your fuck.
She I forgot
she slow, man.
Yes, and that must say
slow,
and that mean. When you reach you
about the man. Hold on there.
You gotta tell us, I mean your moisture. I mean your blood clot moisture. Where you say now? Oh me look. Me look brought down and tuck down, no. You mean blood clot boy can't call up me name for England or Jamaica, nor America, coming up fucky.
Exactly, and the reason why I should say we fucking lonely because we not run down blood clot.
We not run down they run we down.
Money, man, I run with them and we are gonna work money. That's not gonna use the blood clot pussy.
Sure, right, me not use my money for none of that. I have my good man. I have my good man.
All when we don't have no bomber clot, man, me not care. We not depend on the boy.
Hey, to all them people you want water down and belittle DYEMA thing, them I say under stop drive people now. I must foreign under stop drive. But right now under and BMW they on the same price in Jamaica. Some still. You know what I mean? The same price you can get a Honda for, you can get a BMW for that price. But maybe it's not gonna be the same here. But you can get a good BMW for the same price so you can get a Honda for. You see me? So make me know what to think my people, because Honda top vehicle at Jamaica, that me know about. You see me I say? It's sure better than Corolla. You know what I mean? Because first of all, Honda, when you're driving a Honda, your suspension system well up. You can't feel patrol when you're dropping at that. It's smooth like what? You see me? So let me know what to think my people. Make watch some more.
Me not depend on nobody can move them foot on the drop. Nobody can move them foot on the drop. Drop where? Go call the man them.
Mrs. Sir.
Well, fuck me up. Go call the man them.
I am Victoria, Mrs. Sir.
Cause one thing me know for sure, and one thing me know for certain, none of them can class the pussy here. You see that pussy make them mad. And me have to run left them. Cause they not left. They not left. A stack of pussy me have, bitch. I'm gonna get up on it. A stack of pussy me have. You can never size up to me, bitch. Me not shit in a bucket. I have never shit in bucket. From me,
this dirty girl man carry her pan blood clot yet with pure mastica.
Out, me don't know about pure mastica. Inside toilet me use. Me only know about flush toilet. Me no know
Come
about
stop quick.
Yes, I'm in my cousin's house. I'm still happy. I'm still happy. Oh, what the problem? What are you gonna do about it, bitch? You can't do shit. I'm still happy. I'm sit down in it comfortable for years. Comfortable. I'm gonna miss
him look clad, DYEMA.
rent. I don't miss nothing. What I say?
I think they're
What
kicking
I
out.
say? Right, and face. When you see me in a person, angle your blood clot.
I'm not playing true. Why you never want no argument with losers? I want no argument with no losers. Cause guess what?
When you see me in a person, I got
You can't do nothing.
When me a whole argument start,
You can't do nothing.
clap it up, me a clap it up, clap it up.
Yeah,
when she see me
Me
in
a
a
tell you from now,
person,
Victoria. Because me a tell you from now, auntie. Cause right now you have to start bust it.
Long time old cockery. I wonder if you feel like say me a walk over. Eh? What are they cockery girl ya? What are they long time old cockery ya? What are they?
You're also. So the ladies getting a fight also over here. Come on. Yeah, and them I get, and who you think I get the fight from? Where you think them I get the fight from? Judas side, the people inside, the evil side. Because everybody else now fight nothing. We want to see everybody ticket, alright. Seriously? I feel it inside. Thinking of the sleep. He says, see why I'm not feeling a shark.
Sharon, never come to your panel because I realize that
we are responsible for
this is no food over here, you know.
They want to come back here.
This is the food over here. I want to hold them in a real life.
Listen, I'm going to tell you the plain truth. Me look on the old nasty boy and he look sick. He used to look good and shiny and shine again. He bro, he had that woman.
What's up, mama?
Long time, he bro. He must have Akim shadows.
About Akim shadows, your bumbo class.
What happened when you now have to take responsibility for yourself?
I want a long time old cockery ya.
When one time you don't have nobody here. You have to buy your own shit. Victoria, let me tell you. The end of the day, don't know what it's like. Listen, the end of the day, they was running off Rosealee back. Yeah? And get kind. Nobody tell them to open their stinking mouths. If they keep their mouth closed, this will not reach them. Honestly, my God said they open their mouth because this is not a good. You know, you see me coming a long time said stinking diamond.
Stink like Andy a pussy dirty Moisha. Stink like Andy a long time old.
Believe me.
Dirty so good Moisha. Stink like Andy a old. All long time antique girl. All long time antique girl Moisha. Long time figurine house girl. Long time dirty woman.
Rosealee is a good heart person. I couldn't see right through them a face. With her face with attitude.
Moisha come lick me upside down, Janko.
Rosealee not close yet. She's a piece of shit, she is.
So we all you give me a piece of shit, get a bounty tally paper and come wipe me off. So good Moisha. You can't dash it for me. Moisha. Moisha, you can't dash it for me. Moisha, you can't dash it for me, idiot girl. Moisha, you can't dash it for me. Who do you think I walk over this? Moisha, you can't dash it for me. Girl a chatting to the depan. No, could have seen me come to England and ramping me. Moisha, you can't dash it for me. A long time figurine woman. Long time cockery, you can't dash it for me. You can't dash it for me, dirty girl. You're idiot, you know right it. Who do you think I walk over this? Who do you think I walk over this? Who do you think me new to this, me true to this? Idiot girl, and me set that show here, you know. And me put that show here together. Me put this show here together. No, could have come see me. Oh, long time blood cockery. Long time cockery. Long time rooster in the house. You can't see me dirty long time rooster in the house, Moisha. You could have seen me on that shit for me. Long time first time days big woman. Dirty long time casket woman. Dirty long time woman. You can't see me on that shit for me. You think me a walk over cockery. Old cockery think me a walk over dirty long time big pussy, Moisha. Dirty long time woman. You know right it? I want sensible. Unsensible? No, could have seen your
Well, my people, me not lie, me used to hear them and say, Akim have the money, him have the money, man. You see me, but then me go see the two of them go upgrade when it come to vehicle. We can't say nothing. Maybe him boss him. You see me that him start hold some money, but the two of them are hold money cause a 2 vehicle figure it out go, and a 2 vehicle Hakeem go, and a 2 iron vehicle too. So me I say, so maybe him not have as much as Hakeem, but him have him food. You see me? So make watch some more.
And that shit for me, you have sense or what? Idiot Moisha, dirty nasty Moisha, dirty dead old girl, dirty dead old Moisha, can you want to name call? Long time, first time cockery, rooster in a house, I know the shark rooster them, now come boy me woman. Woman go look with your grandchildren them. Go look with your grandchildren them. Which one of figure it out rather for Hakeem cloth? Oh, wanna know about figure it out? Sinking big long time big pussy woman. True figure it out now come back home come friend with someone nasty big pussy woman one man for fuck you know. Cause you see all the when they talk about millions, una son long time done wife you know. We sad and lonely you know, a widow you know. When a man no want to you know. All the favor on the millions wanna follow up. All on a frog back. The whole on a frog back, the whole on a ugly alive. Show some salt for uno puff. Uno blood clot puff. Show some salt for uno puff. My shit could have seen England and that shit for me. Sure. Chat me a restart and you don't get up on my blood clot. You might this on the grudge me for. I want a grudge me for. I want this on the grudge me for. My body. I want a grudge me for. Long time big man. You can't argue with me. Long time big man. Cherry up look papers in a parent. You can't move around your panel. And you want to argue with people. Dirty long time cherry up. Cherry up look peppermint and sit down over go mint out your hole. When you sit down on the man want to fuck. You know come along I said no boy na fuck you know. No boy na fuck you know. You know sad. My shit, but I see me and throw shit for me. My shit like I walk over girl. I fuck fight her funeral. You have to deport me girl. You idiot. You righted. Throw shit for oh. When idiot girl. You know sensible. You know say well on a bigger ugly like you know followers you know millions you know pick up for. You well on a bigger ugly as stay but I like. I want to know. Hey, go Mob. Go I don't care figure it out name I go suck on the mama. Go Ride which cloud. Ride which cloud. Where is cloud? So me can't bad all the AI like this, you know. I wouldn't them know nothing about England. Ride which cloud, girl? Girl, one of them come back and see me. Girl, everyone of them come back and see me, girl. Me have platform. Me can't ride no girl cloud. Cause we don't TikTok no girl in the background. I want to somehow know. We don't TikTok them girl in the background. I want to know. Me not for ride no girl cloud. No girl cloud me not for ride. I want to know. Some girl new to this, mature to this. Me have 4 years on this. Me name wrap up in this. You don't see a Beyonce them in a Super Bowl dance, be dance. Why not talk about girl? Me not need no girl cloth, no girl name. Without me there would be no England trip. Where the woman know them from? The woman know them from nowhere. And me call the woman and put the trip together. When I come chat up on the mouth. And me put this together. Say boy wicked and bad mind as well. Say we put this together. What not talk about? What is there to bad mind? What is there to bad mind? Them a girl are new to this, mature to this. What is there to bad mind? What is money? Money is nothing without assets. Money is nothing without assets. What not talk about? If TikTok dead tomorrow morning, them dead with TikTok. Me have me name, I born with this. You never take a good look for my Instagram. Me don't need cloud for nobody. Me build this for the ground coming up tall. Me don't need this for nobody. Diamond is a name I live in a people head rent free. All the baby just bump and breast no diamond. What you talk about? Me don't need no cloud for nobody. Me not ride nobody cloud. A diamond this. Our baby will just ban no diamond. What not talk about? If TikTok dead tomorrow man, no someone no name. No names. What not talk about bad mind? Without me would be no England for me put this together. So all bad mind coming at this. And when we put this together, many people are most even green. So what you talk about? No girl can't call me bad mind. Cause all the men talk as money rise up your number me do that. What me have a bad mind for? What is money? Money root of all evil. Assets if you talk when people have assets when you talk about things. Every day you come and talk about who broke for who, but want to know about people bank account, want to know about people pocket. I hears me in this, you don't think me careless? I hears me in this, you don't think me careless? Not drive, you see, no, it's money not drive one big car, them broke. Me not ride nobody clout. Cause if I figure it out, I Hakeem them, if I figure it out, I Hakeem, this woman here. Cause a long time over here, I never go near them yet. You hear me? I tell you, every day you live for figure it out. You don't live for figure it out. Oh, you man don't kind of have no money. What do you mean you have no money? You don't know about figure it out pocket. You don't know about figure it out pocket. Everything will come about money. Una be a sad girl. I be a sad girl when no man now lead on with. Una be a sad girl a long time cockery. You know them chalk cockery they were in the house. You remember them long time rooster there. We used to put up a roadside at town. I buy one pair for $1,000. And them long time big man when no girl now lead on with. That's why I come out on a lonely and sad. Sure you go look papers. We go look papers. When you come up, we go look papers. In a foreign for what you kill, feel and come back and kill what you no care move. Moisha, we can't that shit pad. Moisha look like a walk over girl. You idiot. Mind that shit in a flick by you. Mind that shit in a flick by you. You so not come on a plan. Try come good and come twice. Yeah? Cause I don't walk over this. That girl I don't walk over. This a girl I don't walk over. Me no need no girl cloth boy. A million dime attitude. Me can't go for posters by myself at Ramadans. You know something about me? Me don't know I'm gonna mix that with no dirty people find out. Me don't know I'm gonna mix up with no dirty bungle for. Me could have come try and move from your song way. You know sad. No man no want to now widow. When someone live in a foreign no cool. I part of no cool. Go ahead. Go look socks and top up on the hole. Nobody no want to know. Sure. Now we batty man. Remember terror. We know your business. And the people them tell you we go shit in now. Me terror remember you have ears and we know you have ears. Remember the batty man they fuck you. Terror talk about that no terror. Terror no think about that no files. Terror remember you have big A. I remember the batty man they fuck you. Terror remember terror. Terror we know your business. Remember batty man fuck you and your AIDS. So me have I don't know. Come now I read out to the dockets. Come now boy like you know something about people terror. Terror remember you fuck one batty man and link your AIDS, you know. Remember terror. You know what people don't know no blood clot files and deeds. Remember no sick like dog. You have to take on the medication them. Remember as a batty man fuck you terror and your AIDS. Cause you know what you know people business. And every day you come for a panel and think about you know the business. Terror remember as a batty man fuck you and your AIDS. Remember you're the strong medication terror. Remember that. Okay. So nobody come every day you come and sit up on people blood clot name. Yeah man, my private my blood clot page cause someone of it go my private that. But no follow me no car come over this. You're too bright, man. Every day you do on people name. They got a figure it out blood clot shirt. What kind of way of Hakim have a figure it out the ride? Everything we talk about people are ride with. If the boy them gonna separate with what problem? We just want blood clot match up the two boy them so. We just want match up the two blood clot boy them so. The one of we come back and see the boy them pan the scream. The one of we come back and see the boy them pan the blood clot scream together. Because the boy them are together as a brother. We just want to go between the two boy them son of blood clot. What do you know about figure it out? Not secret for him. If he ain't broke back then.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then we're going to move over to the next.
Broke again. Nobody broke again. TikTok is here for everybody. TikTok there's something the whole of we broke your hype. TikTok there's something all who broke with your hype. TikTok is here for the whole of we broke with your hype. What are we on a problem? All long time cockery. What are we on a yeah man me private my page for them. Me put my page for private. Come now warn him over here. Me put my page for private. And I know I'm gonna accept none of the requests so good. Me put my page for private. Look how you're nasty stinking terror. You find out everybody business terror. And you're not telling people say Batman fuck your AIDS. You're not telling them that. And every day you do that on people name. Terror remember you have big A. You have to take blood clot treatment. A Batman fuck your terror and your AIDS. Talk no man. We love dig up people fast. We talk about all the woman telling you have a blood clot yours. Terror. And we drop out in the terror. Talk no man. Terror they are foreign from what you kill feel like come and kill what you can't get straight. And every day you live bang girl. I mean girl ignore you know. Terror remember say you have to take your medication every day. I don't want these people. You know a lot of people know the folly grounds are low no. Low no. Terror you live nowhere foreign. Nowhere foreign you live terror. Terror you have back up and catch. You have back up and catch. Remember the little girl you have where your blood clot go. man fuck you, AIDS. Terror something we know. Terror something we know. Terror do this and beat me. On the blood clot and family. Bright man. Them girl are bright man. Yet shop up on page for private. Them girl are hey phone, stay one page before me this year to you know, me plug you out. Hey, stay sit down as a phone. Not for myself for me neither, you know. Oh, see up there, sit down steady. Oh. Terror, me tell you something. Terror, uno girl. Uno blood clot girl. When I come chat about people. Terror do a full body count blood clot test like this and blood clot test like this and beat me. You won't test like this and beat me. Yeah? You don't know my blood clot. Me turn on the camera. You want to do a full body count. You know nasty stinking long time dirty fuck up big man. The Batman fuck on a gun AIDS. Terror don't live now we are foreign. Terror look, it is a blood clot lab. See big diamond blood clot grade so they. See the girl. You want to do something like this and beat me. Yeah? I want to do something like that. You do a full body contest. You walk and talk about girl and you want to rat out. You stink. I want to do them something and beat blood clot me. Yeah? I want to do a full body contest. A full body contest. This is a blood clot lab. This is a micro lab. Eh? I want to do a full body contest like this and beat me. I want to do this and beat blood clot me. Because terror under here they rat out terror. Terror have to live for medication of foreign terror. Terror move on and say you don't live nowhere. I know all of the people business. No way you not live. No way. I know all up in people business, girl. I know all up in people business, girl. Eh? Do a full blood clot body count and come. You know want clothes, you know go get. You know want girl to answer, you go answer, you know want girl answer, so me go answer, Yeah, my private this. Eh? You know want girl answer, so me go answer, Girl, that's so much cheat and cleanness. Girl, that's so much blood clot cheat and cleanness, girl. 1, 2. Girl, so much cheat and cleanness, girl. Sugar, syphilis, AIDS, gonorrhea, kidney, liver, if you can blood clot read, girl. Eh? Do a full body contest and what I want to come argue with blood clot me. Argue with me. I want to do a full call new brand this, you know. A rock fresh date a new brand something this, you know. I want to come argue with blood clot me, you know. Everybody know me name DYEMA blood clot break kind of hide. Eh? Terror, you can't do this. Terror Batman fucking your AIDS, you know, nasty no blood clot. Every day you come off for people. You know, nasty, you know, on a ugly no blood clot. You know, a crab in a blood clot barrel. One roll down hill. My private page I put on a whole heap of sitting audience control and one whole for sitting. Eh? Terror come give me a house blood clot tour, Terror. Terror give me a house tour. Terror this a rent house. This a rent house and I can give you a blood clot tour. So good, Terror. Terror come give me a house blood clot tour. Terror, give me a house tour. Terror, give me a house blood clot tour and give me a paper tour. Terror, give me a documents tour. Go suck your mama dirty girl. Every day you don't live from blood clot me. Terror, give me a house tour. Cause this a rent house. This a simple beats. Terror, this a simple blood clot beats and I rent me rented. Terror, this a simple beats and I rent me rented. And remember my own a blood clot house, girl. Remember my own a house, girl. Girl, give me a house blood clot tour, girl. Girl, this a simple beat and I rent me rented, girl. Girl, give me a house blood clot tour, so good. So good, give me a house tour. So good, give me a house tour. Eh? Give me a house tour, so good. Give me a house blood clot tour. See the girl bathroom clean a blood clot. Tell me want to push your head in this and flush it and kick it like a ball, dirty girl. Give me a house tour. Dirty girl, this is a closed room. Girl, this is a closed room. Girl, this is a closed blood clot room. Girl, give me a house tour. You know, so I live in America for years, so I can't give a house tour. Tell her, give me a house tour and give me a doctor document tour. Tell her, give me a house tour and a doctor tour. Tell her, go suck your mama big pussy dirty long time cockery. Dirty long time cockery. Cockery, give me a house tour and give me a blood clot clean paper tour, girl. Look the girl. Girl, sugar, syphilis. Girl, I can't read. Girl, read them, yeah. Girl, read blood clot them, girl. You can't read. Girl, read them, girl. You don't read blood clot them, girl. Girl, you don't look how girl blood clot clean. Terror do this a beat, you know. Terror do this and beat we. Terror do this and blood clot beat we, girl. Girl, see there? Full blood clot blood test. Girl, don't do this and beat we. Girl, do this and beat blood clot we, girl. Don't do this and beat we. Eh? Suck with blood clot, nasty, stinking, dirty terror. Suck with terror, video get up on people. And suck cocky Moisha. Lick up batty Moisha. Well, lick up batty like a brick. That shit for who, girl? Girl, you sensible, suck with, girl. You sensible. That shit for who, girl? Hey, girl, that shit for blood clot who? Terror move your blood clot and we maybe Terror move your crib on me case and quick pussy well and go look. Terror go look alive. Terror go look a blood clot life. Terror a big fridge we have a fridge a mobile too. Terror go look alive and go suck your mama girl. Go do a house tour and do a doctor tour for we. Chat me a wrist. Mama test with the girl we healthy. But the girl me can't read, no come here, man. No read this, tell them for me there. Where the doctor girl me there? Where the doctor girl me there? Me girl them see how me healthy. Where the doctor girl them there? Yeah, man, me start over the live. Don't worry about that. But the doctor girl me can't read. You can't read. You can't read. You can't read. You can't read that so. You can't read that so. Wanna read them, make them see. Eh? Make them see for me there, please. Make them see how girl clean for me there, please. Make them see no man. Remember, make them see how girl clean no man. Make them see no man. Make them see where we collect, you know. Make them see where we collect, you know. Collection. See the date there? I fresh something this. I see the date right there, so there. See it there? See the date there, so there. Can't take it up good. See the date there? No see I fresh something this. Fresh something this. Fresh something no see. Fresh something. Me have a whole panel of that kit. I want whole body contest we do. One whole full body count we do. Full body count. Egg well low life. On a sad. On a sad. Check out your camera the page, you know. You know want to get. I'm glad you don't see the date. I don't want to combo girl. When I secret for me, when I secret for me, right Ufa cloud, wish cloud. No girl never give me cloud yet. A girl come here come see me. I mean name Diamond attitude. A girl come here come see me. Me not ride no girl cloud. Me not running for no girl favor. I mean name Diamond. Me no need nobody's strength. A Diamond me name. Put respect for my name and remember that. And my name Diamond, one Diamond attitude across the board. Remember my ball that name. Remember that birthday with Diamond. It's not a nickname. Me don't need no girl forward. A girl come see me with my forward. I mean lower my standard. I mean lower my standard and go mix up. Cause I never lower my standard. All like a uno dirty worm. Congo worm couldn't come about me. All of the pastry could have come about me long time pastry. I mean lower my standard to uno. That's not come and disrespect me to so. I mean lower my standard. Come shouldn't even go there so at all. I told me help. I mean nothing. I mean lower my standard if you don't come and call me Judas. I mean lower my standard if you go one line of mud. I mean lower my standard if you go one line of mud. I mud up myself. To become always I go like say I'm better than people.
Alright, my people. You don't know, say, Diamond have to take away and get when it come to Rosealee still in my people because at the end of the day, the people them did want him. You see me, I say, a bunch of people did want Diamond. I tell Diamond, I say, yo, Rosealee is not the right company to keep. You see me? But on a level still with people, you can't judge a person off what other people are say because at the end of the day, everybody in a life, if you ask a bunch of people about what type of person they are, you are going to get different response. You see me, I say people are going to have different things to say because of the way how them maybe approach that person, give them that rather say give them that version of that person what them know. You see me? So let me know what I think.
Show me as a girl, me always stay on a level with everybody. Me never go on a body level yet. Because me true to this. Me true to this, me not new to this. I'm around to go all of myself in the mud. I'm going to mud up myself for no reason. You don't know something about me. I'm in lower my standard. You know how much respect, you know how much people lose off of me for me go all in the mud. The amount of people lose off of me to me go all in the mud. Just show me as a girl, I always feel like I'm not higher than nobody. So I always bring down my standard to everybody level. That's all loyal me be. I bring down my standard to everybody level. Me no hype. Me is a girl walk herself on road. Me no care. Anyway, the hustling them me go for. I just because me no hype. Me reach na this. Me reach na this. Cause me left me nice house for Mobile. Come and run up and down back a girl like a clown. I never forward me and look. Cause me never broke yet. And me can't hungry, me is born hustler. For me a 5-year-old, me I sell red oak steel with a bleach and bag juice. To send myself to school, me cannot hungry. Anyway, the hustlings them me there. And me left me nice house and come out and run back a girl like a puppy chow. I go like say me I look company. My mother have 5 feet and my father have 10 that are 15, count them. And 3 dead. Me no need company. Yeah? I mean I want a crowd. Cause I guess so no enough, me too enough. Cause for entire time, you know, I'm me Jean, Janet and Jai par. I'm 3 friends them, you know, Jean, Janet and Jai. I'm me and them par. Enough, me too enough. Me too enough, me go walla in a mud. I'm mud up all of my career. All in a mud, I'm mud up my career. Like me a idiot. Like uno forget who is me. Google. Uno forget who is me. Google who is DYEMA attitude. Uno hold on for this now. Hold on for this. Hold on for this. I'm gonna read it. Google me. Google me no man. Google blood clot me man. Google me. Google me. Google me. Google me man. Go ask Google about me man. Google me man. Me no know why me go walla in a mud. Why me go walla in a mud. Why me go walla in a mud. Google me no man. I want to do a long time career. I want to move for me man. When if you got bright like okay funeral woman no sad. You see all of the ugly girl when the box they try to criticize and diss up people. All of the big old ugly girl no lonely. No man no want to know. No man no lay down with you know. Come over take on the wall. I want a Spider-Man. Come over take wall on the wall. I want a Spider-Man no related. You don't want to map out to the wall. Go map out to the wall and take a set for me. Go map out to the wall. Come over take wall on Spider-Man and the brother and sister. Go map out to the wall. On a big Scotia Bank wall. Where every man boy line up in the crutches. No man no want to know widow. Powder, more like a flea powder. Come on, ease up them flea for me. Come on, nasty terror and live in a foreign. Terror they are foreign from Wappy kill, feel come back and kill Wappy terror. Terror you no papers, you no sad. You no get every day upon your life, terror. Every day upon your life, and you lay down with man. You lay down with all the boys spell the word back and front. All Landale spell the word. Come on, go start cuss like Landale. With the page no way. Be it. All Landale spell it. All Landale spell it. You're gonna chat all Landale spell the word back and front again. You're gonna lay down with YABBTT. I always spell it again back and front. All follow Landale spell the word back and front. Yeah, you're gonna lay down with YTTAB and catch AIBD. Oh you go. You know be spelling back and front. You're gonna turn Landale. You're gonna lay down with YTTAB and catch you if you catch and go argue with terror. Terror go fix up your health. Terror go fix up your health. Terror is a walking dead. You is a walking dead. Terror go fix up your health. Go act up show. Terror if you go visit Bright Light. Terror if you call Bright Light and visit Bright Light and book your funeral package and stop arguing with people yourself. See it here. I'm gonna Google DYEMA attitude. Google DYEMA attitude. Google me, I don't see me. I want. Google me. Google me. Google me drunk or no Google me. Google me. And have a dinner and put on a babe. I want you stinking Moisha, but you don't see me in that shit for me. Moisha, you idiot. Moisha, you sensible. You think I walk over this. Hey girl, better know when you dash your shit, that shit good. Try to make your shit backfire for you. Yeah? You try to make your shit backfire for you. So they come with your shit, try walk with a roller bounty this year. Try walk with a roller bounty this year. You will get a surprise coming. You're out of the know on somebody. Be a long time sad girl. Be a long time ugly sad girl. Come from look for all this one. Be a long time ugly sad, long time cockery. Be a long time ugly cockery. Look for all this one. What do you this me? Let me tell you, be a long time ugly cockery. See them. See what it is. Be a long time ugly cockery. What look at the likes of all these people? Look at the likes of all two. Move for best of cockery. When you crack up none of no time. Out of Adam, feisty. Who likes how you argue with people? Your island never set up by your lip. Your island never set up by your lip, ugly woman.
Them say I be a long time fat big woman support Rosealee and they don't look like a lie me people. You look like a real talk. Be a fat one. Yeah, no, at least maybe them see a part of themselves in a Rosealee why them love her so and defend her so we can watch some more.
I'm not too bright, move. I wanna go before. Me have 45 couple weeks I know. Me have 45. I'm a fresh. Me not ask Christ and no disciples. I'm fresh and clean. Rick, big up yourself, Rick. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Rick. I want place. I want part. Where the Rick in a country. Yeah, man, Rick from out there, go. Rick, big up yourself, good dude. Argue with this. If people come over here and make $50, I'm satisfied. Me's a robber and hustler. I don't depend on no girl and no boy. For my bar, me's a hustler, but what if I big up? Me's a hustler. I don't depend on no boy and no girl for nothing. I don't want no girl clothes for ride. You never take a good look on my Instagram yet? Eh? What kind of clothes you want for ride? What kind of clothes you want for ride? You don't think I buy sticky on Instagram? What kind of clothes you want for ride? Eh? Look on my Instagram. You don't take a good look on my Instagram page. You never take a good look on my Instagram page yet? What kind of clothes no girl have to ride? What kind of clothes no girl have to ride? Tell me now. No girl and no clothes for nobody ride? When I be a rubbish heap of back shit? What kind of clothes? You don't like problem and you don't trouble people and people are ignorant and don't know. You don't like clothes. And every day you don't come about figure it out about broke away. You know about figure it out about beg on a night dinner. You want to figure it out about beg on a night dinner yet. So figure it out now confer to no nastiness. So you not confer to no nastiness. Because you no big man. You just want to no old for grind. You can't buy no soon. You no lonely and foreign. And you know what to do with no money. So you get manipulation. I said no money. Papi show. You not papi show. Now the pin them come out of here time. Soldier man. We're not papi. Where papi show and mommy show? Where? Move. I want to do creep up marble. When I saw a long time creep up marble, woman, go ahead. Back in the days, they go and picture us so pow. Move. When I nobody has so. Terror go look at life and give you a house tour. Terror go look at life and give you a house tour and give you under your tour. Terror go they are fine for what you can for you no papers. Girl no can travel. You know those timing that song in the back. The man no want lead on we don't know. Go ahead. The man no want lead on we don't know terror. Terror go ahead. Go ahead terror. Where? Move. I fix up your dirty hole. I fix up a dirty hole. Make sure the medication them last on the film because I love these people. I come go and tell you somebody tell you don't live now you walk and go shut until it's weak. You go use all the problem toilet there and that's the problem toilet. But talk about the problem toilet you may use up there. Terror no me argue with the terror. Terror remember the little boy. Remember the sea creature. Well lay down by you and give it to you. Terror, me tell the people about terror. Terror tell the people only everybody business terror. Terror is a walking dead. And if you go check bright light, my bright light you are good. Gasket you fix up yourself, not too enough. Terror is a walking dead. No argument with me. Where big juice? Where big juice? Big juice. Where? When I big juice, on the dead. That's why I don't really want to call on a name, you know. Can I call on a name and we put on up? Where? Big juice. Where? I really want to call him a big juice. I'm calling on him when come up. Out of order. Big juice. Move. Terror go. Move, girl. Home. Terror do this and beat me. Terror have a sign the mark home. Terror do this and beat me. Have a sign the mark home. Drunk crowd. This is a rent house. I remember I'm a good house here. Do this and beat me. Have a sign the mark home. Sterile up our have a sign the mark home. You don't read this. Have the little sign on this place. Have the little sign on the place. A rent house this. So imagine the good house a mobile. This is the rent one. And if the rent one looks so terror now have good sign on the place. Terror know what we got on our demons and devil. Terror on our demons and devil. We know what on our demons and devil. We have them on the place. Faith and strong mind. We have them on our demons and our devil. I got we walk with terror where.
Me say to the live this morning, oh we reach back, yes sir. That me say.
No, me can't calm down, because I guess I know. Every time I defend myself, I'm wrong. Every time I defend myself, oh reach back, so. Maybe I ignore the argument, coming on one follow, coming on go back in at this. And the girl ever call me thief. The girl ever talk about they go throw shit for me, I want to play virtual, me a legend, that this is my friend, I know girl.
Let me see I go on. Diamond, see this for me area, I say.
You know, allow me to this.
You have some people. Well, I know, it does seem like you have some people where I use the opportunity when I like you. You know you have people that like you from dancer days. And I use them, I try use them thing if you get at your brain.
No, it's not get on my brain. Everybody with a kickbox, they have the logo. All the with a kickbox. A long time I have like this. See, when the woman come back with money, you know, me ignore it, you know. It was just an explanation. Then the lady go, come on, concourse. We don't want a friend for no girl. We don't want a girl call me name. We don't call her name.
So, Diamond, which logo you have? Just to be clear.
The logo when they have about justice for Rose. And them in the back of these people.
Diamond, some of them people we say have justice for Rose. Them man justice for Rose.
Top girl. Every day she click back for people.
And somebody you know specifically where I do it.
Of course.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you avoid this, so I don't know. One man said this start man. The woman just listen.
Hold on.
I explain myself in a yard. And the woman come out and cuss there.
We don't want nobody to tell me I get yard to do the platform.
I'm going to pay a people that stand for me go answer.
Yeah.
I'm in virtual, I don't know where they like me for, you know. Come in,
No, I'm not against you. I'm not against you, Diamond.
Every time you come out for me, every time.
Don't say that, Diamond. Don't say that, Diamond.
I don't say come here and explain you. Explain myself. And every time I go cussing up. Come on and tell me, sister, me now come down, sister out of the box. The reason why I have to explain myself sometime, you know. And every time I get live and cuss, me have to explain myself sometime. Because me now have my right and I don't want to take it away. Me have to explain myself sometime. Me now come down right back to me and explain myself. Me now sit down and me nobody name of me head and me know my right. Because you see virtual them, they only work people they see. They never hear me talk. And enough time I see up from the virtual. And I'm not going to answer you.
Yeah.
Enough time I see up from me coming and answer you.
In a box, I talk your story. So you see when you say you want to talk your story yourself, me agree with you. Because I see people want to come in the box and they want to tell you.
Yeah, because alright. When you say, me have video, you don't know what kind of video me have. Because I don't know chat. I know me never play a record with Rosealee yet. I know me never play a record with Rosealee yet. I don't know talk.
So when they say, what the recording when they say you have?
You don't have to worry about that. Any day the judgment come, we see it. Why? I'm going to say, I'm yardy.
Yeah, boy, Diamond, more you still make them people get in here. You see me? Try if you hear what she say? She said she knows there are some people who dip on the media with her name and them thing there. And you know everybody has start the dream, start the truth. Me never style, me never class Diamond yet. Me never, as a matter of fact, boy, what are they on? Me go talk over here. First and foremost, the only time me talk about Diamond, the only time was when Figure It Out come out and say, I'm telling you, say, we never slander Diamond on the live here. When I talk the truth, me say no slandering of Diamond will be allowed on this platform. Talk! Me tell you, me say we don't want nobody to slander Diamond. Talk out on the mouth! I said it! Well, look on the screen record. The screen record, them did it. Me say me not no slandering of Diamond because we don't need to slander people to talk. What you know?